Hello guys. Welcome to my another video. In this video I will tell you that how to use Google Duo. Now open Google Duo and swipe up for messages. Here you can see your friends from contact list that are using Google Duo. Now tap on appropriate contact, and here you will see three options. From here you can make a voice call with your friend. From here you can make a video call with your friend. And from here you can also record any message for your friend. Then go back. From here you can invite your friends. Now click on three dots icon at top right corner. In settings the first option is of knock knock. By enabling this option, you can see your friend video before you answer, and also they can see your video before they answer. Another option is the block option. You can block any contact on Google Duo. You can also add your email account to Google Duo. And from here you can delete your account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.